Hi, my name is Faisal Al-Anwa. This is a video reflection of CE 300 business practices. In this video, I will be talking about my overall experience in this class. I will be talking about three major important things that I think made a huge impact to me in this class. First of all was the financial skills that I've learned. I've learned how to differentiate between future and present values, how to calculate interest rates, compound, real interest rates, what is depreciation, how depreciation works, what can affect depreciation, also loans and other stuff. This might not be as useful to me because I'm from Saudi Arabia, but it is really important material for people who have taxes in their country. One of the most important things that I think that this class is all about was the communication skills. This class gives you the opportunity to use social media to contact your instructor, your TAs, your fellow peers, your colleagues in class, whether it was on Twitter, Viz, LinkedIn, or Box. This class allows you to contact and be more social with your fellow peers and the TA and instructor. Also, one of the best things that I thought in this class was very effective is the discussions that happen in every lecture. The professor gives you the opportunity to ask back and forth about the topic that he has to talk about, which I think is very interesting and intriguing to listen to. I think that most of the topics that the professor talks about is relatable to what we go through as an engineer and what we would go through as in our life. One example could be like the Citicorp example, which teaches us about the engineering canons and engineering ethics, which I think is really important for all engineers to understand, because the purpose of this class is to be a professional engineer with not just collecting data, but being able to know how to contact and communicate with others in a professional way, whether it was a dress code that you're obligated to wear or other stuff like the way we communicate verbally with each other, whether it was with a request or an invitation or stuff like that. And also, this class has a different approach than what you might see in other classes. You might think that it's an organized class, but honestly, it's like the professor's approach is different than other professors. Maybe we're not used to it, but I think it's very effective in letting the student face their problems. And one last thing is, my turning point in this class was my conversation with Professor Thomas Seeger when I had an issue and he asked me to find a solution. And I thought that him asking me to find a solution when I have a problem